Hey guys, so today we're gonna be filming a brand new video. We're gonna be filming a video of a bunch of brand new makeup. And most of it is new makeup that I have never tried, and I was really excited to try it. And I've just been behind. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I said it in that video. I've been behind on launches, so I kind of wanted to just put this all in one little video. I picked a bunch of stuff from my collection. Like this one, this is the Rare Beauty foundation. I want to try this again. So it's not that I didn't like it, I just haven't used it in a while. So I wanted to try it in today's video. Most of the stuff in this collection that I have right now is brand new. If you want to see how this look turns out and all the new makeup, then just keep on watching. Ooh, okay, she's a little quiet today, calmer today. We're in a different mood. Here, Rare Beauty sent over a cute little package, and they sent over their brand new. I'm telling you, it's been a minute. Always an Optimist Pore Diffusing Primer. So this is the pore filling primer, and it came with a brush, a concealer brush, and then the foundation concealer, which we already have this primer. This is the Ciate London Super Fruit or Citrus AHA primer. So I don't really know which one. I kind of want to mix them and try them out. I also have here the Rare Beauty Illuminating, but I've had this already. Let's actually go in here. This is the Ciate London Raspberry Burst Exfoliating AHA Lip Serum. We're gonna do a little bit of this, and also let me know, guys, about this quality. No one gave me any feedback on the last video about if y'all liked it, if y'all didn't like it. Y'all let me know. Using these lip balms, these are from ABH Norvina. I talked about it in the last video, but I cut it. It was I was talking about these for a good 5 minutes, and I just thought it wasn't necessary, which looking back, I should have done it anyways. I'm gonna use this one. This is the coconut. Just a little coconut moment. Nice and prepped. I'm gonna end up trying this one again. This is the Ciate London. Everything's gonna be backwards, I know. Oh, this is kind of cute. Look at the little wand. I just wanted to try all this makeup. I've been such in a makeup mood lately. I'm scared this is gonna burn my face though, because I just shaved my face. Okay, it doesn't burn. I'm not gonna sit here and review every product. I'm just gonna just do my makeup, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts as of I'm doing it, because this will be a long video. This will be a very long video, and I just kind of wanted to try a bunch of new stuff that's been sitting in my drawers. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I like this. This is the Super Fruit. But what does it do? It says soothing. It's smoothing and oil balancing primer. So oh yeah, so this is gonna be really good for hydration, right? Yeah, this would be a cute little hydration moment. So for the nose and my under eyes, I want to try this Rare Beauty primer. So we're gonna try a little bit of this on my nose. It's like a little cloud silicone, but I don't think it has silicone. I think it's a silicone-free primer actually. Okay, that's not bad. I have to say, it does feel really good. Look at my skin, guys. It's ready and prepped. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty foundation. If y'all saw the last video, I ended up not tanning. Work for me today. We shall see. I haven't dipped into this foundation on YouTube before. I was thinking of filming a rare routine, my Rare Beauty routine on here. So let me know if you guys want to see that, because I'm so down. Rare Beauty. Oh my god, this is actually a lot. What am I doing? Very pigmented foundation. Don't do this, guys. I'm bringing out the dirty mirror again. Oh yeah, you know what, you guys? Like I said, I haven't tried this. I haven't worn this foundation in a while. Now that it's summer, I think this might work for me, because I think it was a little drying for my winter day. You're here from an ABH video. Hello. I'm gonna go in with the ABH cream bronzer. This is in the shade Amber. Try this out again because I wanted to, I want to try it out again. Great. So I'm just gonna dabble in twice, so you guys dabble twice. I'm gonna try it again in a different way, because I think I tried it a little harsher. I filmed this 2 days ago, so a couple days ago I filmed using this. Still looks pretty good. You guys, if you guys are gonna be wanting to try this, I'm gonna honestly recommend this because it is so pretty. This is definitely what made me darker yesterday, but you know what? It is totally okay. Super cute, because you know what normally, I'm going to show you guys what I normally use for contour. This is the shade I normally use. This is also from Anastasia. This is the Truffle Stick Foundation, and this is what You know, so I use something usually a lot darker. So this is more like a natural shade on me, which I think I prefer. The other one was, this one's a little too dark, but I like what this one does as far as contouring. I really hope they come out with some like contour shades. That'd be cool. Guys, I want to try the Rare Beauty concealer. This one's already, she's about to run out. A new one obviously in the box, but I'm gonna open a new one, girl, if I have one in here. This is the Flawless Fusion Concealer. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this because this one is like my favorite to cover, because this is the Rare Beauty one's cute, but it's a little natural. She's a little natural moment, which is so cute. I love Rare Beauty's brand for that. We're just gonna use a little bit of concealer. Okay, there you go, guys. We're looking a lot better. Like, so far, I think everything I've used so far, I'm like really liking it. I miss filming on YouTube. Again, I'm filming on my phone right now, so let me know how you guys feel about this, like one-on-one. Like, I'm live right now on my phone, so you let me guys know. If you guys don't like it, I'll go straight back to my camera. I just wanted to try something new because I used to do this all the time back in high school. So y'all let me know. We'll switch it up. I have here some blush sticks from Anastasia. These are the new blush sticks, and I'm really loving this one. This is in the shade Soft Rose. I also wanted to give the brush a second shot because, you know what, I feel like it deserved a second shot, because I feel like it's not that I gave it a harsh critic. I wasn't like harsh on it. I don't wanted to give it another shot. I mean it's cute. The critic, I think, was in my last video, was that it was just too dense. I mean, it does the job. You know what I'm saying? It's just something I'm not used to. Maybe I might end up loving this, but who knows? You know, as of right now, it's just a little too dense for me, but I mean, it did the job. I continue doing what I do with my Real Techniques brush. This brush, you guys, just does the job for me. Of course, I don't, like I said, it's not that I'm bashing it, it's just personal preference. AC just turned on, yes! Bye. That is the blush. Two highlighters here, I think, in front of me. It's bubbly. This is the Anastasia one. I ended up really loving the bubbly shade. And I also have this one. This is from the new Rose Gold collection from Laura Mercier. This is the highlighting powder in the shade Rose Glow. It's kind of cute. I don't know if this is going to match my skin tone today, so we'll see. And I don't think I tried the brush in my last video. I think I'm going to try it on here for you guys. Just a finger type of guy. End up with your finger first and then going in with the brush. I'm gonna go set my under eye for Mercier because I need to set my under eye. My under eyes are looking a little creasy. I'm gonna go set our under eyes, and then I think I'm gonna do my brows since I have nothing new for my brows, and then I'll come back on for the eyes because we have some fun eyes we're gonna do. All right, so now we're back and we're going to be doing a little look today using the new LUXXE. This is the Tiki Bar. Again, this I think has been out for a little bit. I think a few weeks, maybe a month already, maybe more. A collection, so it came with like I think 6 lip products. Of course, I gave like 4 or 3 of them away. It comes like these limited edition ones. Usually I only keep like a few things because these don't go with my other LUXXEs because of the top. Last video I kind of did like a smoky eye, but I didn't really get to show you guys. So since this, well, let me show you guys. This is the palette. Doesn't really have too much to work with. I mean, it's very pretty, but I only have, I think this is the only matte shade. Only matte shade, you guys. So I did not realize that. I thought that pink was a matte. Do a little bit of this. Again, 10 lines. And let's see how pigmented this shade is. For the first time on my channel, I think I'm going to do both eyes on camera for you guys, well, at least the eyeshadow part, because I feel like I'm gonna do an easy look today. Like, off of just feeling this vibe right now, I feel like I'm gonna do a soft eye, but who knows? See, because I say that and then I come out looking like freaking Beetlejuice, like at the end, like, girl, bye. And I don't know why I said Beetlejuice. That was just the first thing that popped in my head. Probably because I was watching Trisha Paytas's new video and she was like showing her movie theater room, and of course Beetlejuice was all up in there. Beetlejuice first. Not me saying his name 3 times. Blush Seychelles, and a highlighter called Golden Hour. But again, I don't think I'm gonna try this today. I think I want to try the Laura Mercier one. We'll see. Let me just swatch all of them and see. The problem in my last video, I didn't have good swatches. I think I'm gonna end up going with this shade called Burning Up all over the lid, and then maybe like a little like pigment in the middle corner. I have this Decay just sent me. This is like a little shimmer. I'm thinking that only because like that's like, I mean, what else do I do? It's called Burning Up. Normally, guys, I would never dip into this type of shade, but why not? We're gonna do a little halo eye moment. Like, watch this be like my worst look ever. But hey, at least I can say I've done a look like this, because I would never pick these shades in a million years. Like, never. I wasn't expecting to do this crazy of a look. I was thinking I was gonna do like a little cute like wash of color and then be done. But nope. I said let's add some cranberry and some red. I'm gonna dabble into this shade. Even though it's a shimmer, I'm gonna use it as a matte. A little bit of shimmer. Oh no, it does. Oh no, it's a shimmer. Never mind. I was like, maybe it's a matte with a shimmer, but it's giving me shimmer vibes. Let me know any makeup launches you guys are wanting me to try out for this month. I'm so willing to try and purchase some products that you guys want me to maybe try out that you guys are liking. Give me like an Ulta order, like list some products you guys maybe want me to try. I had to go in with, this is the Laura Mercier, this is the Caviar Stick, and this is from the new Rose Gold collection, and this is the Rose Thorn. I think it's like the darkest shade, and I think I'm just gonna use this just as a base, and I'm just gonna go on top with that red, dabble into a little bit of this. Let's see how this looks. This video is gonna be a video of me complaining for the next 10 minutes. All right, so this is the eye I ended up coming up with. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I think it's cute. I really wanted to try out this shadow anyways. This is in the shade Floored from Urban Decay. This is from Beauty Bay, and I also have this from Maven Beauty. I'm gonna try both and just try it. I just wanna have fun with today. I literally, after doing what I'm doing right now, I'm just gonna have fun with today's video, and I'm just gonna play with you guys. You guys let me know how you guys are feeling about today's video. Of course, I'm always willing to hear your guys' feedback. That is it for the eye. Of course, this is not what I was intending on it looking like. I was expecting like a neutral eye moment. I feel like I'm gonna do an easy look today, like off of just feeling this vibe right now.
I feel like I'm gonna do a soft eye.
But hey, fine with me. Go in here with this shade blush here, just so I guess to neutral out our cheeks. And we're just gonna try out, I mean, I love this blush. I have this one in a full size. So that one's that one. This one looks hella light. Let me see this one. Oh, but that one looks light and powdery. Let's try it and let's see. I'm gonna try this one from Buxom. This is in the shade Golden Hour. This is too light for my skin tone, I believe, so yeah, we're just gonna skip past through that. On the products from Hip Dot, they sent over their mascara and new liner. This is the Thick and Thin liner and the Thick and Thin mascara. So these are all dual-ended, double-ended, two-sided, I have no clue. From She Glam. Okay, I was gonna film a She Glam look today, but we decided to go on this. And this is the mascara. This is from She Glam. This is a black, just a plain black mascara. And I think I'm gonna try the She Glam one. I like the wand of this one a lot better. So that was one of them, but I really like this one. This one is really cute. Yeah, you see that? That one is what I'm messing with. This is the type of mascara. But for the liner, this is the Hip Dot liner, Thick and Thin. This looks really, really cool. When I saw it on Hip Dot's page, I love Hip Dot. Y'all already know I'm a Hip Dot fanatic. I love Hip Dot's products. Yeah, so this is it. It comes with a thick side, thin moment. So that's pretty cool. I kind of want to try this thicker side because I've never tried anything like this. So let's try to... Okay, never mind. Because I already know it's going to get thick in here, girl. She's going to be a thick girl. application. Like, you know how most of them have like a little flexible band. You know, it's a little bit stiffer, but you know, it's not bad. I still like the way it finishes. We're gonna go in here with the thicker side and see. Okay, now for the filling in, girl, this is way easier. I can see myself using that camera. And then I'm gonna try this mascara with you guys. Well, you know what? Let's try it on this eye. Might as well, right? Let's try this. You guys probably won't be able to see it. Oh, you know what? You guys can. You can see my lashes. Yeah, you can see them. Yeah, guys, I really like this wand. This is such an easy, like, the wand. It doesn't put on too much product. I'm hoping to God this isn't waterproof though. I don't think it is. I'm gonna try the thicker side though to see if it gives me like volume. Cause I'm guessing that's one, cause it gave me length, but volume, it did not. Oh yeah, so this is, okay, so I see what they did. So this is like a lengthening side and then a volume side. Okay, this is actually a really cool mascara. I wasn't thinking I was gonna like it, but she's cute. She glam. I see you, girl, I see you. See, I'm gonna go to the other eye off camera and I'll be right back for some lashes because I have some new lashes I want to try with you guys. I'm gonna let my mascara and liner dry up a little bit so we can like we can just like move on to the lips, to be honest, because I just want to move on to the lips. Okay, so we have a bunch of lip products to try today. So you guys saw I used this earlier. This is the Ciate London Raspberry Burst Exfoliating AHA Lip Serum. That is actually pretty good. I actually been trying that for a few days. I just haven't tried it on camera with you guys, and it's actually really good. I just think either the fragrance or the taste is a little annoying for me. Like, I think it's lingers on a little bit too much, and like you smell it all day. You guys are sensitive to scents, you may not like it. Here we have Beauty Base sent over these cute little tinted lip balms. We have here the shade Pink Rose, which this is the second time I've heard Pink Rose today. So, oh no, that was last week's video. And then this one is in the shade Nude Pink. So I think this one is gonna be the vibe. As expected, I put on some big lashes today. I was gonna do some cute little mini lashes for my girl Carity. They sent me these cute little hazel ones. I've been loving these. Those are super cute, but I really wanted to try those today, and my phone don't have no more storage, so I need to hurry up. So I'm gonna just use this Nude Pink tinted lip balm. Oh yeah, these are the lip balms I wanted to show you guys. So I think this one is really cute. This is the Bahama Mama, but I don't think I'm feeling her. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade called, this is the shade Dolly Daiquiri and the shade Seashells Breeze. And I think I'm just gonna go into this. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys loved this video. Oh my god, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. Alright guys, so I'm just going to do a quick summary of what my favorites from this video were. So I really loved this Ciate London Super Fruit Primer. I thought this was really cool and hydrating. I really like the pore filling primer, the pore diffusing primer from Rare Beauty. I thought this was really good as well. And then also really loved, surprisingly, this mascara, like both sides. I really like the thicker side as well. I did that for underneath the lower lashes. Surprising, but I really like this one. Of course, I really love the ABH cream bronzer, and I really like the blush stick. I think the blush stick in the shade Soft Rose, surprisingly, I love this shade the most. I was really thinking I was gonna like that peachy coral shade, but surprisingly, the neutral rose shade, she won my heart. So she is a win. Also, this is also a win. So that was the end of this video. Let me know what you guys' favorites were in the comments from this video. Maybe you guys like some other things. Let me know what you guys are thoughts. And let me know what you guys thought of this look. I'm always down for some feedback. So if you did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any video suggestions you have for me. And of course, if no one told you you're beautiful, you're beautiful. Okay, bye guys.